breathe. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, you guys, I've been so busy the last couple of days. I've been having like a lot of orders with my catering business. So if you guys didn't know, I have a catering business also. Yeah, so I make cupcakes and I do meals and I do catering events and all that type of stuff. So this week's been packed. So I'm glad I had 2 videos to upload already for you guys. But I'm just gonna bring you guys on the way. I need to get myself together because this is how I've been looking for the last couple of days. And finish getting these orders ready. But you know what, I have footage of, you know, me making my stuff, so I'm gonna put that in the next clip. And then after that, I am going to be coming back on camera and then we're gonna vlog for the rest of the day. So yeah. But yeah, so I'm trying to upload 4 vlogs this week. This will be vlog number 3. So I'm gonna edit this tonight and upload it tomorrow, which is Friday. So yeah, I'm back, y'all. And if you guys like my last video, let me know. A lot of you guys let me know that you did. It was just for entertainment, really. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna come back. I gotta get this together. Look at all this. Hey y'all, so this is just like my Instagram for my business, my catering page, and I pretty much do everything like cheesecakes, Snicker cheesecakes, and cupcakes, and strawberry cheesecakes, banana pudding cheesecakes. Also like cook meals, cater parties, and all type of stuff like that, like all the fun stuff. And I just want to go over like how I cook my food, because obviously it's a specialty to this. You know what I mean? I didn't give you guys my exact recipes, but if you guys want me to cook online, in my video, I will. So yeah, you guys just gotta let me know. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. You see my Instagram page right here. And follow me, let me know what you guys like. But right now, I'm cooking, oh my god, this is like my favorite. And this is gonna be like my strawberry cheesecake cupcakes. And yeah, so pretty much I'm adding strawberries into this. Also have a secret ingredient that I add into it, and it's sour cream. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but that's how it gets so moist and all that type of stuff. So this is what I do on a regular basis. Put strawberries, and with my strawberries I mix sugar in my strawberries so it can bring out all the sweetness to it. And now I'm just making the crust for the bottom of my cupcakes. Yes, I'm using these cookies, and you guys know it's bomb, and I'm mixing it with butter so it could stick together. And prepping my little cupcakes or whatever. And then I'm going to like prepare the crust for the bottom of the cupcakes, like the layer for the cheesecake, you know, the bottom layer. So that's why I put that in there. And then I'm just gonna spread it out at the bottom real thinly. And it's gonna just bake all together, like, and it's gonna be so good. Then I'm gonna put the cake batter into the pan like so, just a little bit, because the cupcakes are gonna rise. But yeah, so these are so highly requested from my customers, and they're so good. And I'm adding like a little strawberry jam in it so it can just give that extra of strawberry, because who doesn't just love strawberries, right? So yeah, so I'm just mixing, swirling that in, and then I'm gonna pop that in the oven, and this is how they come out. Look, just come on, y'all, don't play with me. So now we're gonna make, what are we making now? Oh, we're gonna make the chocolate cupcakes for my Snicker cupcakes. So yeah, so I'm pretty much using the regular ingredients: eggs, milk. Oh yeah, I use pudding mix also to make it really tasty. When I tell you tasty, just imagine who puts chocolate pudding in their chocolate cake. Like me, I do. So it's gonna be so good. So now I'm just lining the pan. I mixed all my ingredients together. I also added sour cream into that batter too. You guys gotta try this. I'm telling y'all, I'm giving y'all the tips. Let me know if y'all want my recipe. I'll even give it to you guys. I'll do a full video on how I make my cakes and stuff. But yeah, and these are the Snicker cupcakes. Come on now. Please just tell me y'all love me already. Like, yes, right? Yes. And this right here is actually the peach cobbler cupcakes. So I made my cake batter pretty much. And what I do is I put my peach mix that I make my peach cobbler with, I put a little bit inside the cake mix and I blend it up. So now it's giving you that peach cobbler taste cakey. You get what I'm saying? Like it's a little steps to this. So yeah, so that's pretty simple, and I just put that in there. And now we're moving on to the banana pudding cupcakes. Banana pudding cupcakes is pretty normal. Like I just mashed 2 bananas together, and then I put milk, eggs, vanilla, I put almond extract, what else do I put in there? And my cake batter, and it's, oh yeah, and cinnamon, of course. We need cinnamon. Like, who lives without cinnamon? But, and I put butter also. No milk, no, I don't put oil. I like to cook with butter. So yeah, and I'm just gonna mix all that together. And you guys are gonna see them in a minute, and they're so good. Like everybody loves peach cobbler cupcakes. Everybody loves banana pudding cupcakes. They're just so awesome. But yeah, you know, it took me time to get these recipes perfect like I like them, but they're amazing. And you see I had to change to a bigger pan because I have so many orders of these ones. Like constantly so many orders of these, and it's like ridiculous. So I'm just lining it with my cupcake liners, and I'm gonna start by putting the cake mix in the cupcake liners. And you know, I'm just gonna fill it halfway up so it can get, it's because they're gonna, like I said, they're gonna rise up. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to bake, but some people like have a hard time baking. So, you know, I'm just gonna let you guys know pretty much. And I know you guys just look and see, it's so good. Watching you guys see the finished product. I think I have a clip when I show you guys the finished product of this one also. Yeah, it's impossible for me to vlog, prepare these, and get them to my client on time. So I'm just showing you. These are the banana pudding ones. So good, right? And you walk over here, and it's, I gotta top these, but these are gonna be Snicker and strawberry cheesecake. I'm gonna show you guys those, but this is the process. Like, I thought I was gonna be able to vlog everything, but I'm like totally not. Hey y'all, so yesterday, I didn't get to get on camera at all. It was a busy day for me, but I'm trying to get this to be a full vlog so I can edit it today and still have it in by Friday. Yeah, I just look a crazy hot mess, but I don't care, you know, because I've been getting my work done. I've been doing work. I don't have time for makeup. I didn't have time for lashes, so nothing. So, my client that ordered yesterday for all those other orders, she, like, as soon as I delivered them, she was like, girl, please, can you make me 2 more dozens? So I'm like, 2 more dozens, like, you know, and she's like one of my loyal customers. So, you know, when I have loyal customers, I definitely like to satisfy them because, you know, they can go to anybody. Catering business or whatever. Y'all excuse my house because it's like food everywhere and I still gotta clean up. I just finished her cupcakes that she needed by 2. Oh, but I guess I like to show, it's closed. It's just dirty and I don't even know why I'm vlogging in here. But let me show you the cupcakes that I have. So these are the strawberry ones that she likes. She like loves these ones. So I made her 2 more dozens. The other ones are still in the freezer, but yeah. So yeah, so for those of you guys that are asking, yes, I do still do catering, but you have to let me know like at least 2 weeks in advance because it's just like hectic with just everything else is going on too. So I just try to balance everything or whatever. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing this week. I need to clean up my house. This is like driving me crazy. You know, when I'm working with this much time, I just be like moving fast. I took clothes out the dryer, put them on the couch. I got stuff everywhere. Ring lights is right there. Just stuff everywhere, girl. But I'm about to clean up and stuff right now and then come back on camera.